intermediate first year physics, exists syllabus and deleted syllabus in AP that we are giving chapter wise because of corona. The chapter 1 physical world and the remaining chapters. The first chapter 1 physical world 2 marks existing syllabus. What is physics? What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? What are the discovery of Albert Einstein and contribution of Chandrasekhar to physics? And what are the contribution of S. Bose to physics? This will give as a 2 marks. This chapter is weightage only 2 marks. Chapter 2 2 marks. Distinction between accuracy and precision. What are the different types of errors and supplementary units? What is dimensional analysis and express unified atomic mass unit in kg? These are the important questions for 2 marks in our AP public. Chapter 3 motion in straight line. In this 2 marks questions, define uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity, instantaneous velocities. Second one, the derive equation S is equal to ut plus half at square by graphical method, and derive the equation for the maximum height and range. And the problem like a car travels the first third of the distance with a speed of 10 km per hour, the second third at 60 km per hour, the last third at 60 km per hour. What is its mean speed over the entire distance? And these type of problems they will ask as a 4 marks also. And in the chapter 3rd after, we are going to discuss about the 4th unit. That chapter 4 is motion in plane. This is weightage is for 4 marks questions. Now in this first question, show that the trajectory of an object thrown at a certain angle which is the horizontal is parabola. This is weightage for parabola which is exist. Second question, the state parallelogram law of vectors derive an expression for the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. Third one, the define law of vector addition and law of vector triangles. And the fourth one, which is defining the unit vector, null vector and position vectors individually with examples. And explain the terms average velocity and instantaneous velocity with some examples. Chapter 5 laws of motion. This is also weightage for 4 marks. First question, explain the terms like limiting for friction, dynamic friction and rolling friction with some diagram and equations also. We need to give the answer for this question. Now the second question is in this laws of motion, explain the advantages and disadvantages of friction with minimum less than the 4 points. And the third question from this chapter is mention the methods used to decrease the friction. That friction generally, that all types of friction we are considering as a single friction. That single friction, how you can mention the methods used to decrease that. And the fourth one, why is pulling the lawn roller preferred to pushing it? We need to draw the diagrams and giving the equation derivations proof for the roller, which is pulling is better than the pushing.